Welcome, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something important, something that can change your life and your English at the same time. Have you ever changed your plan because someone laughed at you? Have you ever stayed quiet because you feared judgment? Have you ever felt small when a stranger gave you a cold look? This happens because opinions can control your mind when you let them. But today, you will learn how to break the chains of opinion. You will learn how to think for yourself and walk with calm power. This is not just motivation. This will also help you improve your English with simple words and clear ideas. So please, stay with me, because what you learn today can change everything. Let me tell you something important. When other people's opinions control your choices, you lose your path. What does this mean? It means your life becomes a mirror of their thoughts, not your values. It means you follow noise, not your inner voice. Think about it. If one comment can stop your dream, who owns your dream now? You or that comment? If a stranger can change your mood with a look, who drives your day? Let me tell you a story. Let me tell you a story. There was a man named Leon. He was kind and steady. He wanted to start a small gym in his town. He loved training people and helping them feel strong. One day, Leon told his old classmate, Drax, about his plan. Drax laughed and said, "You will fail. You have no style. You have no brand. People want fancy, not honest." The words hit Leon like ice. That night, Leon could not sleep. He saw the gym in his mind. Then he saw Drax laughing. In the morning, Leon changed his plan. He tried to be flashy. He bought shiny signs he could not afford. He copied a big city gym he saw online. He stopped smiling because he wanted to look serious. People came in, but they felt no heart. After 3 months, the bills were heavy. Leon felt empty. One evening, an older woman named Mira walked in. She said, "You do not look like the man who loves people. Where is your real voice?" Leon's eyes burned. He said, "I buried it under other people's opinions." He took down one shiny sign that night. He wrote on a small board, "Simple training, honest help, real strength." In 2 weeks, people started to feel the difference. Leon laughed again. He listened to his clients. He coached with care. The gym grew slow but strong. Leon learned a clear lesson. He almost lost his dream. Not because it was wrong, but because he wore a mask made of judgment. Now think about your life. How many times did you change your plan because someone rolled their eyes? How many times did you post nothing because one critic might speak? How many times did you stop learning because you felt watched? We all do this. It is normal, but it is also dangerous. So what is the solution? The solution is simple. The 2 doors rule. Here is what you do. Step 1. When you feel judged, imagine 2 doors in your mind. Door 1 is their opinion. Door 2 is your values. Step 2. Ask one short question. Which door leads to the life I want in 5 years? Step 3. Walk through that door in your next small action today. That is it. When you do this, you will feel lighter and sure. You will become the person who lives by clarity, not by noise. Remember this. Opinions are wind. Values are your feet. Wind can push you, but your feet choose the road. This is how strong people live. And now you know this too. Let me explain a deep truth in simple words. Most people do not think about you for long. They move on in minutes. Your mind keeps their voices for hours. That's the trap. If you keep them in your head, they live there rent-free. If you let them go, your mind becomes your home again. Let me give you a clear definition to help your English and your mind. Self-respect means you treat yourself like someone important. For example, you speak to yourself with calm and care after a mistake. Freedom means you choose your actions without fear of other people's faces. For example, you still go to the gym even if someone smiles at your small weights. Inner conflict means your heart wants one thing, but your fear wants another thing. For example, you want to start a channel, but you are afraid of comments. Your mind is like a car. If someone else holds the wheel, they control where you go. Your peace is like a house inside you. You can lock the door when the world is loud outside. Your emotions are like buttons. If they press your shame button, you freeze. If they press your pride button, you shout. You can move the buttons away from the edge, so no one can hit them fast. Let me tell you another story. There was a young woman named Talia. She loved drawing simple art. She posted one picture online. A man named Griv wrote, "Child's work." Talia deleted the post and cried. For weeks, her hands felt heavy. One day, her little brother asked, "Why did you stop?" "Your art made me calm after school." Talia felt a soft spark. That night, she made a rule. She would post one drawing every day for 30 days. She called it the Quiet Marathon. She did not read comments for 7 minutes after posting. She made tea. She breathed. She looked outside. After 7 minutes, she read and answered only kind or useful comments. She ignored cold ones. On day 11, her line work became clean. On day 20, a small shop asked for prints. On day 30, she smiled at her first sale. The lesson was clear. Talia won because she chose door to her values, not because the world became kind, because she became the driver. Now think about your daily life. How many times do you check your phone to see if people liked you? How many times do you shape your voice to sound safe? How many times do you forget your own taste because other people clap for a different flavor? This is common, but it drains your power. Let us build a tool you can use today. It is called the 3 filters. Use it before you accept any opinion. Filter 1. Does this person live the way you want to live? If not, their map is not for your road. Filter 2. Skill dash. Does this person know the craft you are doing? If not, their words are fog, not light. Filter 3. Spirit. Does this person want good for you? If not, their comment is a hook, not help. If an opinion fails 2 filters, drop it. If it passes 2 or 3, study it. Thank it. Use it. Here is a quick contrast. Weak people ask, do they like me? Strong people ask, do I respect my choice? Weak people ask, will they clap? Strong people ask, will I grow? You can choose. Do you want to chase claps or build character? Repetition with new words helps you remember. Do not let feelings control you when faces turn cold. Be the boss of your choices. Think before you act when the crowd is loud. Stay calm when you feel watched. Control your focus, not their mouths. Let us practice a short technique you can try right now. It is called the micro pause. Next time someone judges you, do this. Stop. Freeze your body for 2 seconds. Count. 1, 2, breathe. Slow and deep through your nose. Then speak one line from your values. For example, I am learning and I will continue. Or thank you, but I choose a different way. That is all. Just 2 seconds. But these 2 seconds can save your day. Why does this work? Because a small pause gives your brain time to shift from fear to choice. Let me show you 2 types of people. Before learning this lesson, person changes plans. Every week because of comments, they hide their real taste. They feel tired and lost. Result, a life full of noise and regret. After learning this lesson, person B hears the same comments. They use the 3 filters. They choose one small action from their values each day. Result, a life full of calm and steady growth. The difference, one inner decision. My values lead, not the crowd. Here is a short story about work. A coder named Vel ran a demo. One manager, Craig, said, "This looks basic." Vel felt heat rise. He wanted to promise big features he could not deliver. Instead, he used the micro pause. He said, "Thank you. The goal here is stable speed and clear design. We will add features after we test." 2 weeks later, the demo worked fast and clean. The team trusted Vel because he stayed loyal to the plan. He did not dance for claps. He built for users. Now let us add some vocabulary for growth. Self-control means you Control yourself. For example, you choose to pause before you answer. Respect means you see value in someone or something. For example, you respect your time and say no to useless tasks. Regret means feeling bad about something you did. For example, I regret hiding my idea in the meeting. Use these words this week. Speak them, write them, live them. Here is a simple grammar frame to guide your mind. Present, simple for truth. When you follow your values, you feel strong. Past simple for stories. I heard a harsh comment, and I stopped my project. First conditional, for choice. If you practice the 2 doors rule, you will feel free. Imperatives for action. Stop, think, choose. Let us stack small wins. Use this daily plan for 7 days. Morning, write 1 sentence with your value door. For example, today I choose health over approval. Midday, practice 1 micro pause in a real moment. Evening, write 1 line about what you learned. Keep it short. After 7 days, choose 1 small project and finish it, even if no one claps. More images for your mind. Opinion is like weather. It changes fast. Your values are like stones on a path. You can step on them. Judgment is like smoke. It looks big, but your hand passes through. Your calm is like a shield. It keeps your heart safe while you decide. Let me tell you about a hard moment. A singer named Lio sang at a small bar. A man in the back named Zorn smirked and whispered, "Amateur." Lio's throat went tight. He wanted to stop. Then he remembered his rule. 1 listener first, 1 heart at a time. He looked at an old couple near the front. He sang the next song for them. The woman cried softly. After the set, the couple thanked Lio. They said, "That song was our song from long ago." Lio walked home with quiet pride. He understood that 1 cold face can hide in darkness, but 1 warm face can light a life. Let us build your mental code. Short lines you can say in pressure. My values are my map. Opinions are weather. I choose my next step. Thank you for your view. I will think about it. I am learning. I keep going. Not every voice is my guide. Not every clap is my goal. Say them out loud. Use them when fear knocks. Now a quick system to deal with fear of judgment in public. Name it. Say, "I feel fear." Normalize it. Everyone feels this sometimes. Narrow it. What is the next small action? Then do it. For example, press record. For example, send the email. For example, walk into the room and smile. Small actions break big fears. Let us talk about friends. Some friends lift you. Some friends pull you. If a friend mocks your growth each week, they are not joking. They are training you to stay small. You can set a line. We can joke, but not about my dreams. If they cross it again, you can reduce time with them. Your future thanks you. A simple test for any choice. Ask 3 questions. Is it kind to my future self? Is it true to my values? Is it useful this week? If you get 2 yes answers, move forward. If you get 1 or 0, pause and think. Here is a short tool for work meetings. The calm script. When someone attacks your idea, say, "I hear your point. The goal is X. The constraint is Y. The next step is Z." This script keeps you simple and strong. It shows calm power. It stops you from chasing approval. Let us return to our first promise. To break the chains of opinion, you do not need to fight the crowd. You only need to choose your door, 1 small action at a time. When you do this daily, the chains fall by themselves. They rust, they break, they vanish. Let us remember what we learned today. Lesson 1. If you let opinions drive you, you lose your path. Lesson: use the 2 doors rule and the 3 filters to choose with clarity. Lesson 3. Practice the micro pause and the calm script to protect your peace. These 3 lessons can change your life, but only if you use them. Only if you practice them every day. From today, you are different. You are not someone who dances for every clap. You are not someone who bends for every frown. You are not someone who hides their voice when the room gets cold. You are someone who thinks first. You are someone who walks with calm power. You are someone who keeps self-respect and lives by values. This is who you are now. You are stronger than you think. You are calmer than you know. You are more powerful than you believe. Why? Because now you have knowledge, and you have tools. The old you chased opinions. The new you follows values with steady steps. So here is what you do today. Choose one action and do it under your values, not under fear. Post the work. Share the idea. Go to the class. Speak the truth with a soft voice. Just once. Try it once. Feel the difference. Feel your power coming back. Tomorrow, do it again and again. Soon, it will feel natural, and your life will change. Thank you for watching. Your English grew today, and your life grew with it. If you want more videos that make you strong and clear, hit subscribe and stay with this tribe. Join the walk and bring your brave, because we build quiet power here.